Struggling to add an item to your eBay cart? Get it right every time with this simple, foolproof method. We'll cover signing in, searching, selecting options, and confirming the item is in your cart. All right, so let's start this thing. Go ahead and open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. Pretty straightforward step, but it's where everything begins. Now, you're going to need to be signed in to actually buy something. So click that sign in link in the top left corner. Go ahead and put in your email or username, then your password. And here's the thing. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you don't check that Keep Me Signed In box, unless you want your roommate buying random action figures on your account. Once you're in, you'll see your name pop up at the top, and that confirms you're good to go. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to finding your item. Use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in what you're looking for, like wireless headphones or vintage leather jacket, and hit the Enter key. The results page will load with all kinds of options. Pay attention to the filters on the left side. I've been on eBay long enough to know that using those filters is the difference between finding a great deal and wading through a sea of nonsense. You can narrow it down by condition, price, and even location. Once you've found something that catches your eye, click on its title or image to open the full listing page. This is where you'll see all the important details, multiple photos, and the seller's feedback score. Take a second to scroll through those photos and read the description. In my experience, a thorough description from a seller with high feedback is a really good sign. Now, this is the step that trips up most people. Look for the selection boxes right below the listing title. You might see options for size, color, or even the specific model. Each one needs to be chosen before the Add to Cart button becomes active. So if you see a drop-down menu for size, click it and pick yours. Then do the same for color. And here's the really important part. Check the quantity box. If you need 3 of something, bump that number up before you do anything else. Miss this step and you might end up ordering the wrong size or just one item when you needed a few. All right, now you're ready. Click that big blue Add to Cart button. It should change, or you might see a confirmation pop up. The page might flash or refresh for a second, but that's perfectly normal. Let's make sure it actually worked. Look for the cart icon up in the top right corner, usually near the search bar. It should have a little number on it showing how many items you have. Click that icon to open your cart. You should see your item right there with all the options you selected. Take a look. Confirm the size and color match what you wanted. I've seen people skip this step and only realize later they ordered the wrong thing. And there you go. You're done. You've successfully added an item to your eBay cart. So now that you know how to do this, adding items is a breeze. You can repeat these steps for anything else you want. And if you found this helpful, we've got plenty of other guides just like this one to make your online shopping a whole lot easier. See you in the next one.